There's a bird's egg here. So that hotel was closed and we have stopped here for Ravi Darshini. That is since 1942. So I had to forget something or the other. Today I just forgot the memory card in my shop itself. So I have just started the vlog from here. And today's vlog is all about going to some of the lake near Bhimsandra. So it is very good for bird photography. Not only me and my brother both are going. Sorry if you're getting the bad voice. I've lost my mic filter. I've lost it already, so that's the reason. You'll be facing a lot of breath or the air which is there, so that we will be feeling. So this place is very nearby, almost 5 or 6 kilometers I believe. Yesterday I've posted the vlog, but it is not getting updated because is that I've updated it, I've done everything, editing everything, but when I start to upload, or this stupid Premiere Pro, what it has done, when I export the things, it is not exporting properly. That is a problem again. According to me, 9 o'clock in the night you would have already received the notification, but it will be coming late today. It will be coming something around 11 o'clock in the morning, and you can watch it and you can enjoy it. So that is nothing but you will get the best budget accessories for GoPro. You can watch that vlog, and as of now, enjoy the ride. Totally excited, and you know what, not slept for the whole night almost, not editing, doing nothing. My son, man. Huh? Madrada adventure ge. So he's telling me we have got adventure. Man. Morning itself, they started their business. I have not visited this place at all. I'm here from past 30 years. I have not come to this place at all. So ganda. So ganda. How to go? Like this? Huh? Chota off-roading. Oh man. This place, I don't know. This is a lake or wastewater treatment, I don't know. It's good, but not so satisfying. This is a lake we were talking about. I think so. They have done some thing. Yeah, fishing is also been carried out here. This is pretty clear. This is not much of off-roading, but fine, not a problem. This is suitable for bird photography. Literally good. Lots of things are here. You can see, what are all those birds?
That's cormorant, greater cormorant.
Okay.
These are grapes.
Okay. Nothing but ducks, right?
No, grapes. Grapes are different from ducks.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ್ ಕಾಗೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. Okay, they are all different.
This is water hen.
That is water hen, right?
This is water hen.
Okay. I think the GoPro will not capture all those things, but fine, you can see something. Not so bad.
Harping ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ.
How harping ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? No, even they do harping or what? They are not doing harping. They are actually finding out the foods, right? Feeling like removing my helmet. He's searching one or the other. You can see, check that. Summer kage. What do you call in English?
Greater coracle.
Huh?
Greater coracle.
Greater coracle. Hey. Okay. For us it is a brown crow. So we'll make a small walk here. We'll take the bag and we'll leave. If I find something interesting, I'll switch on my GoPro. Until then, keep watching some of the shots of the lake. Hey, Adel, take shoot mada.
Pelican.
It's so big.
Pelican sakkadu.
Bigger than eagle?
Eagle ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ
Kite. Kite is nothing, yaar.
Hey, this is not kite.
Then?
It's not kite.
Then? Eagle, huh? Ah, perfect shot. Show it to me. Show it to my audience. Zoom it and show it out. What is that? Kite.
Kite, black kite.
Okay.
Younger one.
Okay.
Very younger one.
Okay, learning to fly.
No.
Then?
Younger ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Okay. Learning to catch. Hunt. Okay. Let's take a pic for thumbnail. 2 thumbnails are there. Whoa. This will be really great.
Look at this.
One sec, hold on. Will be really good.
Hear some noise there. It's actually bear weaver.
Okay.
There are lots of bear weaver.
Okay, that is a reason. I think so. That is a well, I believe. A bigger well. He's literally going slow in order to get all the pics. Exploring time, yaar. So there are so many species of birds out here. So that's the reason we have come. Look at that, man. This will make another thumbnail pic. I'll try to. Wow, I can do a lot of stuffs in this. I'll post something on the Instagram. Do follow me on Instagram as well, guys, for more updates. This vlog will be updated tomorrow. Okay, I'll not be talking. He's telling to be quiet. Look at this spot. There are so many birds. Oh man. What is this called? Well, I believe, right? It's a well, right? There's a nest over here. So many nests are there. So many nests. For God's sake. Thousands of nests, guys. I can't zoom it and show it to you. Found some bird. What is that? We don't want to disturb them. This is only for photography purpose. Nature is so special for everything. What?
This is munia.
Oh, tricolor munia. See, guys, this is called as munia. And this home, this is called adventure. I think so. Somebody is residing here. All they're fallen. Look at that beauty. Kitna thumbnails yaar. Instagram, for this Instagram post. This is for the Instagram post. Oh, it is recording again. I never thought Tumkur would have such a good place. Guys, never try this. This is not totally fun. This is actually a lake. This is actually a lake. That is not a well, actually, bro. There's not a well. Okay, be careful. Whatever. There's a bird's egg here. I'm not going to touch it. This is the bird's egg. I can't focus in my GoPro, but you can see that like that itself. More adventurous things are here, but we are not about to disturb them. But we are here for photography.
100% this is bay weavers.
Egg. Okay. Bee weavers or bay weavers?
Bay weavers.
Okay. Okay. This mud is not so great. Please come off. We found a lot of adventurous things over here, and there my brother is. He really wants to stay there because his, oh my god, ran and came. So I'm breathing like anything. So he's very fond of photography, especially for the birds. And I just found a lot of nests there. That spot, I just found a lot of nests. I'm totally happy with what today morning I've got. So this is for the adventure. So let's not waste time and let's leave in order to have some breakfast. Let's have some world famous idli. Fuel खत्म हो गया. We'll get fueled up. ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. We'll go have some breakfast and we'll head towards our works respectively. I think so I've shown this hotel in my previous vlog, I believe. So this hotel name is called as Hotel Kesrumadu. I don't know what is the hotel name actually. It is famous for Kesrumadu Hotel. So especially we come here and on Sundays, but today I felt like let's hit that. You'll get very good idli, man. So anybody who's coming from Bangalore actually can visit this place. So many people from Bangalore actually come here, especially the riders. So if we can meet someone else, that will be a very good point. Is it closed? Yaar, this thing is closed. My god, it is closed, yaar. So that was closed actually, and we are heading towards one more hotel which is actually famous for, that is Cassandra Idli Hotel. ತುಮಕೂರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇದು. So if that is closed, I'll not stop anywhere. We'll head directly towards the home. Oh my god, it is open. The amount of people are here, I don't know, man, what to do. 1.5 CR, bro. Even that is closed, yaar. Man, it's 1942 for quality 30 idli. Fine, let's go inside. I've never tasted here. Let's go in, bro. Come. If you're getting the less voice, the lower voice. So this is really what I